Hi, we are Rob and Kathy, and welcome to our channel. Join us for our travels in Australia and beyond. Welcome back, viewer. Today we're continuing our series on beaches of the Central Coast, and we're off to Catherine Hill Bay, which is probably stretching the friendship a little bit because it's actually in the Lake Macquarie Council area. Catherine Hill Bay is a coastal village in the Lake Macquarie local government area. The town was first established on April the 1st, 1865, to serve as a base for coal mining in the area. In 1867, the Wallara Coal Company mined and shipped coal from its nearby Crangan Bay mine. It took its name from the twin-masted schooner, the Catherine Hill, which ran aground on the 21st of June in 1867 with the loss of 2 lives. It is popular for swimming, surfing, fishing, and beach photography. Catherine Hill Bay is split into 2 worlds. Firstly, you have the old miners' cottages, which date back to the 1870s. Then you can see the new developments, with some impressive new builds. There seems to be some pretty strict council regulations regarding building. You'll notice that all of the houses have similar colours. It seems to help them blend into the landscape. And here we are at Catherine Hill Bay. The beach is 2.5 kilometres long and is an excellent beach walk. Council lifeguards patrol the beach from the September school holidays to April. There are a number of lookouts and viewing platforms overlooking the bay, and it certainly is quite spectacular. And down at beach level you get a slightly different perspective of Catherine Hill Bay. And just coming into view on the right is the coal loading jetty. The jetty dominates the beach, and it's very popular with beach photographers all through the year and all through the different times of the day. After the Catherine Hill ran aground in 1867, the new Wallsend Company bought out the land and the local mines. They then commenced work on the coal loading jetty. The first shipment of coal was made on the 17th of December 1873. The jetty has been in continuous use from then until 2002, when the Wallara and Moonee collieries both closed down. In August 1917, there was an attempt to destroy the jetty with dynamite, although minimal damage was done. And in 2013, bushfires burnt many of the timber sections of the jetty. It is estimated that it would cost around $3 million to restore the jetty. bearing in mind that it is the middle of May and we're well and truly out of the swimming season. You can see the facilities here. This little building boarded up is where they'll check out the beach and look for anyone in distress. And up here is the Catherine Bay Surf Club, or the Catherine Hill Bay Surf Club, I should say. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this look at Catherine Hill Bay. It's quite an unusual beach, great for surfing, swimming, fishing and families, yet with an interesting history. The coal loading jetty makes this beach unique and certainly worth a visit.